Konnichiwa, Ai desu. Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my 2 girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Do you like curry? Or do you like udon? How about combine together? Yes, today I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare curry and udon. And this is very easy and simple dish, and I don't have much to say. You prepare udon soup and then add curry roux. And for topping, typical curry udon topping is a thinly sliced pork and Tokyo Negi or big long negi. That's a very typical topping of curry udon. And today I just found a sliced beef in the fridge. I didn't find the pork, so I used the beef. But pork gives a good flavor. Beef is good too. So let's see how to prepare curry and udon, curry udon. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. So important to me. You need 1 or 2 blocks of Japanese curry roux. So it depends on the brand. You need 1 or 2 blocks. Please check the flavor and add another block. So 1 or 2. And frozen udon, 2 frozen udon. And there's a direction in the back of the package, so please follow how to defrost. The cooking time is different, depends on the brand. And thinly sliced pork we prefer, but I only had beef in the fridge, so I used the beef, ½ pound. And 3 cups of dashi. I made in advance dashi, but you can add 2 teaspoons of dashi powder into 3 cups of water too. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and Tokyo Negi. Tokyo Negi is a big green onion, and if you don't have, a small one is fine too. First, let's prepare Tokyo Negi. And for curry udon, I wanna cut in a special way. So cut into 2 inches size, and I'm gonna use a green part too. And then from here, cut into half. So we're gonna use a big piece of negi, Tokyo Negi, and it gives a good flavor to udon. So if you can find big Tokyo Negi, that would be great for curry udon. And curry roux, you can cut it into pieces in advance so that it cooks faster. And I always use kitchen paper under so that for convenience. So curry roux cut into small pieces, and then cut the meat. And I always use extra plastic cutting board for cutting meat. So vegetable for wooden cutting board and plastic one for meat. And cut into small pieces, your favorite size. And then we're gonna make a soup. So add 3 cups of dashi. You can use dashi powder or you can make dashi. And add beef, sliced beef. And once the color of the meat has changed, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and we're gonna add negi or green onion, and cook until a white part of negi gets nice and soft. And for whole time, we're gonna cook over medium low heat. Cook until negi gets nice and soft. And then add curry roux. And when you add curry roux, turn off the heat and then mix and melt. Melt the curry roux. And now we're gonna prepare udon. So boil the water and add udon. And the direction of my udon says cook 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. So just follow the direction in the package and then drain. And heat up the curry soup and add udon and cook about like 1 minute, and curry udon is ready to serve. My one daughter loves udon and the other daughter loves curry. So this is the best dish for my daughters. Best dish for me, convenient. And this is a very nice cold day food. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。